Modern web design often focuses on smooth and visually appealing elements. One way to achieve this is by rounding the corners of various components, making them look softer and more refined. This effect is possible using a powerful CSS property called border radius. To start things off simple, the border radius property can take on one value, two values, three values, or even four values. Let's explain what each means. Starting off with the one value type, when you provide a single value, it applies the same amount of rounding to all four corners of the element. This means that no matter which corner you look at, the curvature will be uniform, creating a balanced and symmetrical effect. Check out this example. Moving on to the two-value type, when using two values, the first value applies to the top left and bottom right corners, while the second value applies to the top right and bottom left corners. Let's see this in action. Next, for the three-value type, when you specify three values, the first value applies to the top left corner, the second value applies to the top right and bottom left corners, and the third value applies to the bottom right corner. Let me show you how it works. Finally, with the four-value type, each corner gets a unique radius. The values apply in the following order: top left, top right, bottom left. Take a look at this example. Now, as a bonus, did you know that border radius can do more than just rounding corners? It can also be used to create circles and ellipses. This is a simple trick but incredibly useful when styling buttons, avatars, or decorative elements. To create a perfect circle, set the border radius to 50% while ensuring the element has equal width and height. Check this out. Try playing around with different values and see how they change the appearance of your elements.